is defined as regional, with one community outbreak reported. Missoula, Ravalli, and Flathead counties have seen the highest number of cases. St. Peter's Health is opening its second annual seasonal cough, cold, and flu clinic on Monday. The clinic provides care exclusively to residents dealing with flu-like symptoms. Last year was the first time that St. Peter's opened the specialized clinic, and they saw about 400 patients over the course of a month at the height of flu season. Dr. Todd Wampler says it's important to identify if someone has the flu, especially if they're in a high-risk group.
People who are at risk of getting complications from flu are anybody over 65, any children below the age of 5, but particularly children below the age of 2, anybody with chronic medical conditions, especially chronic lung conditions like asthma or emphysema, or heart conditions, or kidney problems, or anything that affects the immune system. Those are people who can really run into trouble with the flu.
The Cough, Cold, and Flu Clinic opens Monday, January 14th. Hours will be from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Appointments can be made by calling 457-4180 or using the patient portal. And Dr. Wampler adds that for those who have not yet gotten a flu shot, it's not too late to get one.